If you're choosing between MusicBee and Foobar2000, this isn't just music player versus music player. It's ease of use versus ultimate customization. So which music player is actually better? Let's break it down. MusicBee is designed to be a complete music management solution. It offers automatic tagging, library organization, playlists, podcast support, and a polished interface right out of the box. For most users, it delivers everything they need without requiring any setup. But here's the catch. While it's highly customizable, it still can't match the flexibility of Foobar2000. Foobar2000 takes the opposite approach. It's lightweight, incredibly powerful, and almost infinitely customizable through components and plugins. Many audiophiles and power users love it because they can build exactly the music player they want. The downside is that the default interface feels dated and can be intimidating for new users. So the real difference is this. MusicBee gives you a polished music experience immediately, while Foobar2000 gives you complete control over every aspect of your player. So which music player is better? Choose MusicBee if you want a beautiful interface, excellent library management, and minimal setup. Choose Foobar2000 if you want maximum customization, advanced features, and complete control over your music experience. Bottom line, for most people, MusicBee is the better music player because it's easier to use, looks better, and provides excellent features out of the box. But if you're an audiophile, tinkerer, or power user who loves customization, Foobar2000 remains one of the most powerful music players ever made. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.